Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts. Here's a supply list, and all of these supplies, I have links to Amazon, and they will be in the description. So check that out. Okay, I am going to very quickly cover these buttons with some fabric. Okay, this is these are metal buttons that you can cover and make in, attach it, and you have a button. Here's the button shank. But we're going to make earrings with these, so I'm going to remove these shanks. And I'm going to put a link in the description on where I get these buttons. They come in all different sizes. So just going to see what I need to do to take these off. Maybe I might have to cut it off. Okay, it's off. I don't even know where it went. Okay, so the other one, I'll just squeeze. Okay, so now it's off. All right, so what I'm gonna do is gonna take a look at my button, and I'm gonna cut around it enough to leave about an inch, 3/4 of an inch to an inch from where I want my center to be. So I'm just gonna cut this. And this might be too much, but I'd rather have too much than too little. And then I'm gonna do the same thing again for the second piece. Just gonna cut a piece that's gonna be big enough. So I'm just gonna cut my material. Okay. All right. So now what I do, put my material in. This is what we're going to use to actually put the button together. This little plastic cup. When you buy the button kits, you get this little cup. So you put your fabric in there upside down. And then you put your earring in there like that. You squeeze it in there. And then all this extra fabric, you push it in the middle. And then you put the back on it. And now, there's one other little part we need to make this easier. And that is this little cup. You use this little cup, and then you put it here. And then some people can squeeze it, but I have to use a little hammer. So let me get my little hammer. I'm just going to hammer it down in there like that. So it's down there, and I'm just gonna pop it off. And there we have one of our earrings. So let's do the other one. All we have to do now is put the backs on the earrings, and we have a beautiful pair of button earrings. I'm going to put the stud backs on them. I'm just going to glue it on with E6000. This is E6000 that I'm using. I'm going to make another pair with some of my African print fabric. We're going to make these a little bit different from the first button pair. We made those as studs, so we're going to do something different with these. I'm going to use my hole punch, and this can cut holes in metal as you'll see in a minute. These are also from Amazon, and I have a link in the description. You just place the pliers where you want your hole and squeeze, and it's really easy. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of a challenge getting the pliers off, but it's okay. We're going to make these dangles by using the Pendant clasp ear hooks. And of course, there's going to be a link to these in the description. So you just put the little hook in the front, squeeze the back, then take your pliers to tighten them up, and you are done. Don't forget our Tuesday live subscriber chat. Come and join us. And if you haven't subscribed, we would love if you would subscribe. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. All right, good people, this is what we have. So this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.